time for eating. Yeah, you see. So guys, as I said, this is my first time to make sadza. Hello and welcome guys to our today's video, and guess what guys, today I'm going to be cooking for you sadza. Now in Zimbabwe they call it sadza, in South Africa they call it, I'm sure, ugali, and in Malawi they call it inshima, and Zambia they call it inshima. Whatever you call it, this is what I'm going to cook for you today. You know what, it's my first time to cook inshima. My wife gave me a challenge. She said, today you are the one cooking for us. And guess what? She gave me something I've never cooked before. You are going to eat it. Trust me. Whatever I cook, make sure you eat it, my friend. So let's go. Now, this is my miru miru. In fact, this name, my wife is the one who taught me that I need to call it miru miru. Here we call it maize flour or kaunga. So this is kaunga, okay? And this is the thing I'm going to use to punish the kaunga. So I've already cooked my water here that I'm going to use. So get ready. I'm sure you are hungry, so get ready to eat this. So what I'm going to do, I have my gas here, I have my small pot. So for us, we don't eat a lot. That's why the size is a model size, you see. So we don't eat a lot, we use a small pan, a small pot. So I'm going to put on gas and let us go into it. If you are ready for my meal, if you are ready for my sadza, if you are ready for my ugali, and you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Love everything that we are doing. Your support is wonderful and incredible. So let us start now. Yes, so guys, this is my cold water. What I'm going to do, as I showed you this pot, I'm going to pour this water in the pot. Okay, I told you that what I cook is a meal or a sadza that keeps us, you know, in this good shape. So I'm going to pour this meal, okay, as you call it, maize flour, that makes the sadza. In fact, I'm going to make the perfect sadza ever, and you're going to enjoy it. So I'm going to pour, and I make it in a greater, the best way. You're going to see. So I'm going to stir it because, you know, sometimes if you don't stir it well, okay, now I'm stirring this such that there is no bam that goes in or that comes out. I want you to eat and enjoy the fresh and finest sadza. So by the way, I use left. That's why you see me using this hand. So don't worry, I will still cook for you the best. So this is fine now. So I'm going to pour my hot water, so such that I make it so well. So when I'm pouring hot water, I stir. So I'll be adding this in some more meal, as you can see. Yes, as you can see, now the fire is on. We are starting to make sure that we get the best sadza ever. It's going to start cooking, and you're going to see how this comes out. Yeah, so I'll be adding in more meal to make it a bit thick for you to enjoy. Now, if you are more hungry, make sure you prepare, because it's becoming more thick now. It's becoming more thick now. It needs a bit of energy. I told you it's my first time to make this kind of food. That is sadza. We are used to matoke here. I can make you matoke, but guess what? It's becoming more thick, and it looks good. It looks so good, as hey, it needs more energy, you know. leave it to boil a bit, such that I just come back and now make the real SADZA. Yes. So I'm leaving it now. Alright guys, now is the process of making it real SADZA. So I'm going to be adding a bit of meal as I'm making it to be more SADZA. So make sure that you are ready to enjoy. So it burns. It burns. So I'm making it SADZA. Anything that, if you know how to make it, it's my first time, but I'm sure I'll come up with something good. So I will add more, because I have to make it so good. You rate my cooking. So it is coming out now. It's coming out. It's coming out. I'm sure it needs more. It needs more. Okay. Yes, I'm sure this will be enough. It's coming out now. Yes guys, I'm sure now our Simba is very ready to eat. You can see it's very ready. You can see I can even sample a bit though it's hot. So it's very ready to eat. Time for eating. Yeah, you see. So guys, as I said, this is my first time to make SADZA, but you see how I've made it. It looks yummy, it looks wonderful, it looks eatable. This is how it is made. My wife taught me just in one day and I was able to do it myself. So if you like my SADZA, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Trust me, you are going to see more and lit videos